Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. Today we are going to see how we can read our horoscope that is received from a website or an astrologer. If you are seeing this diagram or the figure, then you see the numbers. Number 6 is at a position of 12 o'clock. Then going from counterclockwise, you see numbers 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Whenever you see numbers on your horoscope, they denote the signs, the Rashi. And how are they denoted? Number 1 corresponds to Aries or Mesha Rashi. Number 2 corresponds to Taurus or Vrishabh Rashi. And you continue going like that. Number 9 will be Sagittarius, Dhanu. Number 10 will be Capricorn or Makar. Then number 12 will be Pisces. And when you think about the numbers where it is a 12 o'clock position and you are seeing number 6 in this figure, it is known as your first house, or it is also known as your Lagna or ascendant. That means when you were born, that sign Virgo was rising on the eastern horizon. And you can see the placements of the planets as well. Here, Sun is denoted by either Ravi, Sun or Su. Then Moon is denoted by Mo, Moon or Chandra. Mercury is denoted by Buddha or Mer. Saturn is denoted by Sa or Shani. And you can see the other planets' names and their abbreviations done for the sake of convenience. Venus is denoted by Ve or Shukra. Mangal is denoted by Mars or Ma or Mar, depending on the software that is used. But the number of planets are 9 and the Rashis are 12. If you have a planet in a nakshatra, then it is denoted in the horoscope, or there is a table next to horoscope. Let us look at this figure which shows every planet or ascendant, its degrees, its sign, its nakshatra and the charan of the nakshatra or pada of the nakshatra. And you will see your ascendant and you will see all your planets including Moon, Sun and other planets. When somebody asks you, what is your Rashi, what is your sign? It means they are talking about the sign or the Rashi in which your moon is placed in your birth chart. The Kundali that we saw or the figure we saw is also known as Janma Kundali or birth chart or D1 chart. If you are seeing here in this figure, moon is in the 12th house. It is in the sign of Leo and the nakshatra is in Purva Falguni. Same way, you can see all other planets, their degrees, their sign, their nakshatra and their nakshatra pada. If you go through your horoscope, it could be a PDF file of about 50 pages these days, but primarily we are looking for 3 charts, main 3 charts. What are they? That is your D1 chart, which is Janam Kundali, and that if you tilt the chart in a way that moon comes into your ascendant or your first house, then it is your Chandra Kundali. So we look at D1 chart or Janma Kundali, or you D1 chart or Janma Kundali, or moon chart and Chandra Kundali. Then the other figure that you see is D9 chart. D9 chart is known as Navamsha chart and it is used primarily for your marriage purposes, your partnership purposes, or to see the strength of the planets in the D1. So what are the fruits of the planets placed in D1? The fruits are denoted by that Navamsha chart. And Namavamsha chart is in the same way. It also has all the Rashis, all the Nakshatras, and the softwares are known to show the degrees, the signs and the Nakshatra placement for the planets. There are various rules and regulations depending on if your moon is placed in a particular nakshatra or at a particular degree in your D1 chart, its corresponding position in the D9 chart is already decided. And this is how the softwares generate these charts. In ancient times, astrologers would calculate these positions and then they would come up with those horoscopes. Now we will take a look at a few more charts to see the examples and see which sign moon is placed in. Let us summarize the things that we learned today. The numbers that you see on the horoscope corresponds to the signs. So if you see number 7, it means it is Libra. If you see number 8, it means it is Scorpio, and so on. When somebody asks you what is your sign, you're going to look at the placement of moon in that horoscope, and if the moon is placed in number 5, then sign is Leo, so your Rashi becomes Leo. When somebody asks what is your nakshatra, then you see the nakshatra in D1 where your moon is placed and that becomes your nakshatra. Hope this helps you to read your horoscope. If you want to know more information, you can send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Please like, comment and share this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Shubham Bhavatu. Thank you. Namaste.